Ghana de Shmaima Yamamu nyina achibiem edeba Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Bronson said the Bokrata Hudua Abedja so yedema mu edin eda so eye Ghana today. Ghana today ni nyina ne sense mo edi him na edi adencheche ene eye dwada. Bosumi enum ne de tosudu baako May 11 2026. Enti me wo hai wunua ba Akosua Agoo Aboagye Akosua nhyade nyame ehira no me mamma mienu kantinka me bo me chidom no enya asam ketwa Apam Dadaa no a ena odomankoma chiame na ankasa wo mo ewa ha na yede asede ma time herbal mixture eduru no eduru awon mu a etimi tu malaria se Hajia special local foods eno nso ejina na naso ena kasa natural mineral water nso eka wona Sompa 106.5 FM Accra ye client service line no wo pese woni yedi djuma 0531886216 wo pese wo ye enquiries bi o Sompa Accra 0531886216 enti we de menko na menkoma abadwafo akwa abadwafo memo makwa aba o na bibia boko de oh nyame adom eno na ye Mother's Day
no cre
enti yeda ye nanom yeda wo mu nyina ase ema nyina yeda wo mu ase da chi bi meka bibia about mother mother no eyesu ene ban e bia e wo nipa bi mu obetimi akasa wo motherly love
okay
obetimi kura hu bi wo ba mam it is not necessary say ye gender asem ye gender asem because obi wa wo ngoda but we ye mother crossing obi a wo because obi wo ha wo but onye mother
ampa
as biologically no and will give you birth to the child but a masu and yes will be a bad time you say or a bad time you can be a bad time a day it will soon a baby a then a day answer the nipa na bad time
okay
it actually be a bedi home komo eti Apam meme wo daily graphic xenophobia threatens African trade unity where your foreign affairs minister Samuel Kudeto Black wada ha and na for nso condemn assault on 3 teachers asojafo abrim wo mu eno nso e wo ha sei omo celebrate Mother's Day no nso e wo ha and make Ghana your gateway to Africa governor tells global investor community eno nso so e da ha sei and we call daily graphic sports no so amediema for hold nerve at top as has title dream fates enti na no na mo sere na mo sere enti ye de ho asam no nso so ebeba ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko eno ye hu animu ase
okay
enwu ye hu animu ase kura weekend ye hye ye hu animu nyama 11 wonders fo hu say omo wonders no anya hye eti eno ewo daily graph nti Apam Dadaa de yin da wani mu
mama Ghana for American times wo ha
okay
afi daily guide da Bokrata ena Akosua de ne ka twin no by na the new crusading guide and also what they aba what they sa aware semi amakwe ene na yire die nso kra ho asem bia ba
asem na da so trend
da so trend
ene you kra the Ghanaian publisher kra so the
also the biaba anti odumankoma chiame no a
me na papa
odumankoma chiame no a
me ma me am do no papa
odumankoma crepes
fantastic
odumankoma crepes also the end da woni ma no pai
ma me wo the Ghanaian publisher wa ha
okay
eno me hu Alexander Kwame na afenya makin a wa mo abodja okuku ofum na menim se bia campaign ho no wande adu dia
wada ho
mutiti nkonya so okuku
e wo okuku ofum mo mo na wo we minority
o man okuku bonso
o madu central region okay
ena the new publisher
okay
eno so dia ba na me hu napo ana waje eyi se we di nka ye eno nye cowboy echeni bia ana mama we see no ye di enche bi
eye cowboy echeni bia
cowboy ana minim se eno ne ye de ba ku bi no ya
se bi di da bi echi
ana e woda ha in fact we Japan ana we si unkrofo
okay
Daily Democrat e di bia ba mampani so ne mfoni wa ha se ya ne nyina Medical Trust Fund no ho nkomo e wa ha se ana Almighty Chronicle
okay
and I was saying kan mebusem dada no mebusem etire
dada no Apam Dadaa no
was saying kan Proverbs 18:2
okay na dey no ho
o say and definitely video
a
fool takes no
patcho bobo papers so e be ba ho ye be wi a Apam ma me fa daily graphic mrana e na ba bi omudi afa idie ye hia say you be dissect
No,
na you integrate na you disseminate so what you say na you fine pa na you revive na you quick no
serious
into the ye wi a ye beba so mame fa daily graphic do bokrata na mra wo de ono obo Samuel Okude to ablakwa or ye minister of foreign affairs info nyina baba beto na waka say sa xenophobia threatens xenophobia na ekos South Africa no threaten Africa's trade and unity before ye dwedie ene ye nkabomu ha dwene papa efise se mi firi mi kurom no ma South Africa se me ba bedidwa na nunti medimiti aba bagira chirema de ya na ha dwene etu ono obo Samuel Okude to ablakwa wa condemn rising xenophobia ewo South Africa wo bokoko se saa de betimi ama omo maka no nso so mezu me wo Rwanda na mekọ me wo Ghana na mekọ South Africa fa mo amoso nsore na monko Nigeria fa mo amoso nsore na monko ebasa ebe ha ye dwedie ebe sanso ha ye nkabomu eti ho asem no ene ode ababeto ha na wo bo ho de ru se ya hweyie pa ena ye hia se ye de anamo ebe sisiye na oman no betimi afa ntoma pa efra ewo saa kwan no so agina yie papa me se mampanyu se saa ayi atade we Obrempong fata na ba commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces atade we dear to be honest with you hey
ma onyi anka okọ
da bia opi anka won hye say ya
so no
but esa na won say esa temefo ni yembe hey soja ni bo obi kwa beka say soja ni but to be honest fata na
bonus say
enti
say me bie pepa no na me hu pe na
na say ho Kenya wie na enra Mother's Day no ye celebrating the kama na ye beba so na memfa governor sama wodi tudwa governor of the Bank of Ghana Dr. Johnson Esiama what they are two global investor communities he said wo hye said your my Ghana ene ebibi man ye gina ye na so a ye boy homodin e wo sikasem mu a se wo mo bibi o mo pese wo mo ya wo mo momodin an so mo de beba ha wo mo pe ba bia investors ka ha ya ene wo mo famra said be ye niema betimi agina eyi entertainment for so Stone Boy ono so eda ha fa African Senior Athletics Championship and you see opening ceremony no ono ne begina mu pa eno so ye ne wo University of Ghana Sports Stadium enti Stone Boy na say opening performance no omo say obegina mu den na waye ho adwuma betimi aboa ma Ghana afa ne ntuma fa efra eyie ankasa na oman no ebekonkan na asem bi wo katafa to so du nsia memfa numra na mema Obrempong ne Apam Dadaa emrem na omo fa de aka no ento so ema yetew ne nyina efa akyekyerefo mensa bia ye boro wo mo se sojafo na yesa Ghana National Association of Teachers wo ma condemn physical assault e wo 3 members a wo ka wo ba military personnel e wo kruiso minim se takwansuayem Obrempong na wona wo behu edin na mame ade wo so ana ade wo so MA Basic School ADIE WOSO nti ebe ade wo so ade wo so yanka na ade wo so ana ade wo so
ADIE
ADIE
ade wo
so ade wo so MA Basic School ho na ewo takanso ayem ho na se no ewo Eastern Region
ana Western Region
sorry tifo
wa hene champom
ampa wo hene mo wie
kan na mrekuduka
ampa ni kwa mi ofisa takwa na kura ba nso ayem no utakwa nso ayem ye wo bi Eastern na insutem na ampa ene ye no na confusing bofra me na ayem se Western Eastern abafra enti takwanso yem ade a wo so MA Basic School yes astrafo bi kobo teacher for ho na no na not for this statement ababontina owura Thomas Musa wo ye general secretary ede ne nsa sha so mo condemn saa ade no nti mpanifo investigate na ba bi esase ede to no yemfanto na emfranto nti ho asam no e wo ha se nti we de Obrempong munso mu yenkwe
yo ene ma me mo ne tew wa ha me di kind the Daily Democrats or said nothing but the truth already on kan hwe je no kure no nko na me hu oremnyamfo kojo Apam kromanfo ni wa ha ena Bank of Ghana amra do oda no na obeka se wo nyina tepono baako ho ena wo mo kan sumisem nanso nya pono baako ho nia wo ya de tie ye no ena wo ka o ma hya ho fefe aso wo mo kan tirimsem no obi a gina baabi ogina AI and was say Apam Nkrumah lies about Bank of Ghana exposed. Now so Apam Nkrumah lawyer wo person che say wo twa ntro the Afa Bank of Ghana ho ama se wo matene so hahan ewa ha enti Daily Democrat na wo de aba no President Mahama appointees contribute 6.1 million to boost Mahama case enti na appointees no wo mu ayenteto kakra sa me do 6.1 million Ghana cedis Edekoto Ghana Medical Trust Fund. I friend say Mahama case no. Woman de kwa kotum na bibia etumi aye fine. Na gold board for woman zo mo ba beto $400 million gold weekly. Gold buy to buy. A gold board to buy. Na is woman yan toy. Afen wono ba beto. Inti womba to ton kakra sa na watwi bia woman tokra no. Nya be $400 million and one beto. And one some kakra ewo aha. Na yes, and this is for some of our setting the record straight, sir. One more episode now, one more year, brand new position. No, one more sign at the Ababio. I know Daily Democrat, Abo Mokama, at the Amma. Now, me Boshi, Namaka Kujinamu, award the Ghanaian publisher. Now, Mabohonso too. Now, what the Abasa, me am offer Obi Amwa. Sana and say, MPP for one more committee, no. Obi Amwana, electoral committee, or Bedano. They say committee chairman, Obi Amwa. And I'm on for business and Macman Wayne. Se wo kai Peter Mark wono so wo bia wo mbepe be na sha nti obi amwa wono kan no ye mrase bedwani sisi wono sankra be local government minister kra pen nti wono na e ba beda electoral committee no ano na wode oponkroma ene sameje mfinsu mfoni eda hasi na oponkroma dwalai pa otimi se wo ka asem na sameje mfinsu aye very attentive ya wono nsu tie ene se wo mumie no aye showdown se na ano bra na MPP for wa ban mu no na wo mo ka asem a yesi KPMG wo mo nya credible sameje mfiu say KPMG enye credible so won beka bibia wo Ghana enne KPMG e de foforo abade a wo so ye credible enti kwaje opankroma etwa ntro enti asem na kwaye ayi bra na wo mo opposition no na KPMG nya credible enti wo ka sem bia Ghana fo anyindi enne wo mo aba mu KPMG ka asem a e wo se agidi na ko jo pon kroma akoka bia ene de ensase agidi nti eno ho nsem ewo the Ghanaian publisher mu was just showdown ya ekoso no nyasem kuma akra na ba me waso wa ha de weed takes over 1D1F starch factory
omudua wo ho ana se de mentia se ekire mi
one district one factory starch factory a nka ban no ye na maguna nya adwuma ye no aye kwaye
adane kwaye amemuraje wona
waboso
say ye maimu ye continuity ni problem
abandon
project na NDC ni MPP fo ni nyante ase se obi ye mpuntudwuma bi enye omusika o
mine dia
omo nyante sa de na sese se memfa no se sa Apam Dadaa na AC classroom block ana se bia OC hospital na se wenwie no oja hokwa wo na waba no e your responsibility say wo beto aso e say Apam Dadaa na enye ni sika e yo man sika omunya hu sa de nti we ba no no abaye ne de na wo a wo nso hye wo de as na eja ama na tete na apro omunya nte wo mo ho asese ni wo mu bottom sika so what you see
e bi e so to aso ba
e yo man ne dia wo hospital no ana classroom na e yo man sika e kwaje bosia kra Ghana na betua NDC ni MPP twa ho ma memfa nya de NDC ni MPP no Apam Dadaa yentia se omomienu nyina obi ne odi sika bi ya bebo oman no enya de obi ba wo se me de me bottom sika wo
onye bi mpoda
em se Ghana for yenyantia ase sa NDC ni MPP no so omo ba power enya so omo ba no omo sika bi no so ye wo sika ya de bebo Ghana wo mo fo mo ka prema de omo de ba ne se omo de omo ideas na oman ne de ewo mu no omo ba betoto no magina o man na mu akwakope bosia e de aba betoto ne ma
o de man ni dia kwaje bosia
o man dia kwaje bosia eto a ye beti ne de ama o mo nyina mo fa ntoto o man no but de omo mienu nyante ase ne se Apam Dadaa no na me fa nse no o si school anase bia wo si ayare sabia project bi anase wo ye kwan bia enye NDC sika na enye MPP sika e yo man ne dia esi se wo anwia me ba na ma beto aso am oman no ba de omo ye ne se ade no we na sha ase wanwie ne ye jai hospital ne gunguram na ye jai school adan no ne gunguram na say because for who ne say MPP ni na na NDC ni na ye wo mo nya sa nationalistic approach no ma ye hu say no continuity eti me ba contractor be na ye wanwie ya frɛ contractor no contractor wada woroma we ye ne ya ntue sika ni nyina na okay ya ntue nwie di aba ni tue asai e otia 80% di 20% no ko wie ma ye na wakwa ye da bi me so me baye me die fi say me kwoto so a ye beka san MPP for dia NDC for dia it is a nationalistic approach na Osaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah wo mo ni bi both parties they don't have it me party me ne me nkrofo ya ba be didi ye didi wi a na ye kɔ ye wie ne ye kɔ a mpumtujuma bia development project bia ya chance yes ye no ya nwia me so me ba me mfa ho eti affordable housing ensi wona nhye ekwan no ensi wona ensai dan no hospital no ensai school dan no ensai enwumuramu a na yensu enkosi ye de chip compound wo hwe mfansi chip compound na so mpaka se ebo ye kofa de ba ye chip compound sa yesie wie almost 90% aka 10% hospital ba ko so ye kofa ye hwe emfidie ayata good ye jagu ngura yes ye ba be sifoforo sa wo kan a omampanyini dada sabre no ye dada his excellency John Dramani Mahama wo chance a no wo sisi hospitals okay so wo chance sisi hospital apart from community secondary schools no kan ba ko na wa bi mo ana tamale ene ho nyina no wo musi bi northern part of the country omo ba ye no MPP for ba ye no omo nkoto anu so no so the agenda 111 yenso so ye baba be si ye but nka sensika no amode koto aso wie ye na gungura mu no ene de yan ye de but omo ye omo se enye musika omo ba mo fa kaprema da ben na NDC and MPP can say ba na Ghana for you put $1 million in ye be bo man when kapre ye sika eti adenti na aban bi ba na aban bi ko and so we are to one from Ebra Rollins address wo call ya his excellency J Akufo ebe to aso efri J Akufo address because who said ye fi PNDC era no and so ye be NDC era no it is awusha mampani that Rollins won no di so for almost 20 years eti on no to aso 20 dudu na ono na ye ya ba wonu free ye na be ye sa multi party democracy ye di ye juma MPC abanko aba from J Akufo abreso his excellency ebesi ne wobeko J Akufo project bi oye yegu ho ayam to so
no kre
en na wobeto so a na de ba ayi mampanyi mills onu so de so bi ho a ye to so a enu so so yanwie
no kre
en na enu so so to so na na do enu so so sa ena Mahama de na so o sha ase ansa na so ati ase ansa enu so bi ho a yanwie
no kre
enti egugu ho saa na esai because omunya approach ni se nyi omusika na omode ye it is a me ba se contractor ne kra ye de ma no so wonye no wanwie a I have a responsibility se metwa so awie me frɛ contractor no what the document aba ekwan we wu ne de ma wo hospital we wu na wusi dan ada no amantwa mi sika nyina ama me akasai je ne kotua bu akonta ubu akonta wi ya ne de ama no akwakoto so ye ni sa nationalistic approach no eti o mine dan ya yare sabia ya classroom gugunguram na essay and futuro
no be penny there
say one district one factory here his excellency na aduja hoko ye factories bebre o manwie no eyin fa de na say ho ada ni mure cheche wure de
ascent out
sanete asai community secondary school a mampanyi dada saba no
blocks no
blocks no bebre na gumuram egumuram na ese yankasa yanko bi
nkransa don kwanta de progu
education minister Dr. Duchum so o share ni project bebre ase efa senior high school free senior high school project expansion bebre bi o ha ye jato be baba be ye me de wo be ye wo de ama hwan wo ya mo man na sa wo be ye wo de be yi wo de be yi wo de be na obeye wo sika be na wo sika be na de bae
okay
eti wo be ye wo de be na obeye de wo ho na abeto so na wo bia na wato de aka so
no correct
they don't have that nationalistic approach eye pesaminko nya parochial interest pettiness
omonkwa mo de
meye me de na me kwa ya kase me nso na me yewe na de ba ko mpacho ba ko na nya NDC for de wo MPP for de wo
Ghana de
yes say politicians munya nationalistic approach mo man si kan say
mo man ni hia
mo ma ye hospitals enwunwuram mo ma ye classrooms enwunwuram mo ma one district one factory project enwunwuram enya MPP for sika
Sagre me house no.
Mama ma ne ngu ngura mu. Monto aso. Askwa. Ene ayi askore mampon. Na fe ho nyina weedifo, ayifo, drug addict.
Na aje wafa.
Ayo man so na sisi ho. Ye gya ho chese eye Ghana nti ye mfa ho. Eye wo na wo di usika esi dan obenaja ubegya si wa mana.
Wo si estate anka begya mana.
Wo di wo nkasa usika na ye ya ubegya estate na si wa mana. But eye Ghana dia. Eti maba ma meye media. Wo meye hye. Wo beye de o man ne pe.
Okay.
Toaso. E ba no abetoaso. Eti ne here development plan. Ni agina so.
E de ye.
Mama ye ne ye nchia Dr. Steve Mantiao.
Yeah.
National Development Planning Committee. One more kotena ase koye oman no Development Planning Committee. One more kotena ase ko dwendwen ho. This is the national agenda, but party manifesto nti. Yemfa national agenda no nya adwuma.
Party manifesto.
Ye ba no na ye se ye ba ye be ye say. Nti ye nyusu na ye need one plan. I need use by your manifesto.
Yo man auntie ye ba be ye de. No plan na e metan no. Ye be ye de. Ati said you this can be by. Ye be ye de. Wo kapre be na de be.
Ahe wo ho.
Ahe be wo. Wo ma ayi factories. And hospitals and egungurem essay because on koto na check compounds ye sie 90% done aka 10% wo sie nkobiano na this year twakwan what is this what is that
nyame o
adi suban fi no
na no aweja children's hospital and na no me demonstration say ministry in the by contractor no procurement irregularities be contractor no say asem na ministry because anya no correct nti mo ana mo nko bia no mo de mo politics
amwa na mo pese ko bia no mo de mo politics
mama yan fancy
because obi bagie anumunyam obi hwan
Ghana fo pe ade no
ai pa ade no so obi bagie anumunyam
nti na mo ye ade no wo ba bia na nipa nko ho no
Obrempong mo body aka so na
ye ntem abrawo ma na ti fo no mo so nam kokofo one way I come here, one more nam Central Region. It's the Central Region, and I say, come and for your marking. One day, they do when him ding, ever and yasim kuma. The new publisher, one also the about Napo, where Galai Pa, was some crop for one nam, 150,000, 150 million. At the district DC, ECG managers. So I'm doing like to us and Timantem. No one my cancer has them. One more time, radio, be so one cry, and a car, obey Siwon. Now this Ghana talker. Now
the politicians you muni mueni. Wamuni omani ye die muni mueni. Ye muni mueni. Ene matro no propaganda. Muni mueni. Munyam pumtu ne mayemi ye huntoye.
Ma me say propaganda no kra no. Nje say entro ene no krese. Ana ma me nyene sa.
Ene no krese no ano no.
Enso wo de ye adwuma. I say Black Sheriff are winning artist of the year. Unto other new publisher nim ha say. Yeah, what they want say baba. Chronicle, Kojo upon Cromane, Samijemfi, one was about Modia Buenino, Nyasem Kumakra. He's go first, Somako to 22 million severance package to 98% of ex workers. Inti Omwa, na Omui Omedi, na Hosika Semono, Omaka Kutia. Telcos lose $69.3 million to fiber cable destruction. Inti Telcos, no, one was Oka Omo Intina. Auto credit na sisi na sansa wa mo de ka wa mo boka pa nti wa mo ji na mo de akoshim ho some for adwempo local assemblies FDA must enforce correct disposals of expired goods nti these assemblies no ne FDA for yese mo nkambom na enuane a enye sisi ye nyina ye nhia se kra wase yen kenkan Proverbs 18:2 a fool takes no pleasure in understanding but only in expressing his opinion.
So repeat it.
Proverbs 18:2. A fool takes no pleasure in understanding. But only in expressing his opinion.
Express your opinion with understanding. I don't know.
We politicians know. Some ohun say na ma me be bo machi to the people kan ho no so de bia kan ho de amawo the politicians na wo mo enshada wo mo ni nationalistic understanding no express your opinion through our campaign promises
and your manifesto asem ya kan mo so mo ba mo fa da be na mo be donate scam ga
kapre
na be na NDC ne MPP abe donate kama Ghana da say yes as a political party Ghana ye donate $2 million amam no ma donate says can be am
ba waka as just a campaign do so the omo donate dey akwa forms dey bitimi ko donate ma
o say NDC for buy we dey madam ma ye bedi o man so buy ye hia mo say mo dey bi on ba mo so man ni sika dey bi on ba nya sa no mo anti we dey madam mu ni sika ya ba say ye bebo mo ti ye ba no ye dey $10 million ebe to Ghana futum na fa ye be pa bia kan da be na mo dey capre buy
na ma me we dey 10 million cry over 50 million
na say dey yan kan say dey bi on ba mo ka say mo nyi 10 million Ghana for ye NDC for ya bobo ye ho ano pa ye 1 city
hipik ne ye ko hipik ansa na ye pitire fira ba
bobo so ne ye matie fo mre
yo ene anopai
na anopai
wa sompa
sha no o ma hye bufu ano
kose
ai na tia pa so ahwa no o ma hye bufu ano pai pa
because ye tuato
wa no o ma hye bufu ano pai
enokre se wo a wo gene man no ho saa no
musa wo ma hye me eno kwa de metan no me
Unye nya.
Donation se ne wo.
Kapre ni.
Kapre be ne wo. Mu die se ne wo.
Oh, ye be ye bremu sika na motua MF bosen na free ho. No mo ade mo ho.
Mo ba mo ni kapre mo de hia, mo de mo hiafo chitafo na e.
Na e ba.
Bia na mo ba bi position na mo no
ba nya bibia so mo ho ko.
Mo
ba be chiche position na ye to no ma chicha ama mo no.
Ma osoro na bia asem ya ma wonu pesa no.
Na Apam Dadaa nye no a. Da be no mo bo mo di sika bi bae. Mo ye mo nkrofo ne mo fu soldiers na ahia wo mo no. Dodo na ahiafo. Mo fa NDC MPP me ka for both political parties.
Yes.
Kakra o mo kro ma di ye kra wo mo kra mfa o mo sika mo wo man. Na sa parties o mo mienu nyina wo nkrofo mo sika. Wo mo na donate sika ma Ghana. O mo nkrofo no kra so mo sika.
O mo donate.
Apam bobo so na no pe wa.
And Ghana from the Ghanaian Times also the most authoritative newspaper. What the Ghana man penny about between sound him blog to anopay we here that is your housing project no. Was say adano makuma kwa pem na worumba besi a green city housing project anopay what the atua no watch say 3 billion Ghana cedis na man penny okuta truri ya wate mota no ede ahye mfimfini na me hu ewura John S. Bauer MD Edema State Housing Corporation wono so na wada hai afi krata akro na fish for nso de abeto so say Ghana so de economy ni esikro no say ye de tro so ha enka enya bio yenya ede na so yenya bi enti e kire say positive anopai eno nso eye de da na overcrata fa to so miensa na no voxy driver na wode kan no ene na montente no na wo kwa ni woda krata mu se ya so ne penchi ya mamra no ene di pa na anti na courtesy for no wo makomadina pra wo mapra ho nyasa mketwa soup no bia eno nso anopai Ghanaian Times do overcrata de wode ba ye bi eno no okay
anti bon number no wo momrem
ene 0260 1960 0260 1960 0260 1960 0260 1960 Ghanaian Times no daily guide they say police officer intended for the filing.
Hello.
Maybe I want to mention it.
Akosua Agoo Aboagye.
Yes.
We are well near Bema and Amwako Aboagye and Mekafefi Esboy, Ewo, against Suano constituency.
Yo, Mamintia were Bema.
And a pioneer, incoming national chairman, you were honorable Boachi Ejako, the Bioga Chenet Masuma, Udimo, Manka, and the anti faction. I mean, about Amintia and a key, the Bioga Chiano, Amintia, incoming constituency chairman. You were a chairman Isaac and Chaduna and Chairman Isaac out of the infrastructure. Many about the air course of our Ghana Hano, I mean, if you say, a baby better Kunyan social agenda 111 among my Ghana. And we are Sabia, Ghana for the go back of the Cocoja, I share 8 years, and young Pumudia, but my Ghana. A baby buyer or say a new and who is young to 24-hour market. I'm an amount for no market TV, nothing can afford any young who made more time market my life for anyway. Now could be said, but this is a bad to be or Magan Skara. Remember, Jewra Kaji, a complex with the pump, and the bottom is $6 million as a cardio center at the chair or Mangan out at 7. The only politician of this cab or Mangan. I'm a point where you say, and Gana, Uncle, you're 2 8 to yes, to unemployment as our Ghana because they do bar on bottom and a modern 24-hour, 24-hour program, the Mamas or eBay, 34-hour program, 1 year near you. It may be in 1 24-hour and a couple hours. And some can almost say, yes, my wife and 10 years. And they get a car. I might look for the SC. I said, I would be a piano. Happiness at all yet. But you may be your doctors were only up from the English shave of your ministers. Yes, you someone and go health minister. The baby, which is a point in the Papa for a year.
Medan say on Aboagye of Aboagye what time no aso 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello.
Good morning, honorable Sompa Imabakupe.
Medan say bemena.
Me pacho bright near me casa free abusun kan.
Yo, Master Bright, mintie one opay.
Me da si bebre ene akunya odi ama me nsire nyankopon ban bo onye ne nsira emfa ma mu nyina mu studio no ma mintia na bo pita kwesi mensa awo temashipi as nyame enka no obo juma o papa ona bo alaji ya okundo ono so ewo kasa eni keneboa na mo penia oda no obo juma se yensuo ni asase amanfo se no Nina so ebetime cha kene ebo no mode papa unem 24-hour economy there den a ejuma wo ban Ghana mo MPP for ya bisi 24-hour economy wo ho dada mo aso se 24-hour economy na excellency John Dramani Mahama ediba ya no enye ejuma entiden ene yemfa ukote mapota 24-hour economy juma or CDC juma 24-hour economy carriage McCaffrey no nepeku or 24-hour economy honum no ma bebre na ban we eba ye edi abo man Ghana share rose upon rose and then across Ghana na ye kwan MPP aban etwemu year of road ensuya wo kwan a omuchiye ma Ghana fo a ye to abadi tie omo a ene omo wo opposition omo asema ombeka kire Ghana fo entiye nyina enta excellency John Dramani Mahama chi ene honorable 240 finance minister honorable Samije Mfimu uche mojebu a omo bo ama ene economy na jina ade enchi a ye beta so se uko market ya tu sa ade wemu ya tu emumu ya
mate me da se wo brena so hello
the fuma me do me asompa kanidi
obapa na ho ye de
oba de na da ropa
de nyame ase yentie wanope
anope de me fanchi mo din sama na wo mi akosia na me chia Jeff ke gina tiketi papa mo sisa bo mo chia wo me anope nini aba Seven years Kasako 24-hour economy in the year Jumarada. A better say a police a Jumaku nurses. Any human go more than 24/7 Juma. Any day the way the human or more than 24 hours, none of my penny, John Dramani Mahama saw about 24 hours. Now, me have a dom, as one fire FM, a bemo, that 24-hour economy. The moment you get him on song, means we give a bra. And we are growing who could to corner no more the crashing. Now, if I don't want to send them on a diaco. It's in your baby, instead of Bernomia campaign, I catch on what say, Ghana for to me yet. Let me know you catch a crazy year of rose. John Dramani Mahama by Rosa Hen away. Yeah, can't buy a year to ma a back one. Any oman penny that Nana don't go for. Me de nia be do me kwa benya do yan fason de amagana fo nti ye kai of rose ahen na mai wonye rose biaye nti mo ba mamuntu futu mu Ghana fo ni me nya ba oni nya menye tuma
me dan se obapa 0260196064 and 0260196065 ha aye Sompa 106.5 FM Accra.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Mini abema ben mesha na no pay.
Isaac Islegon.
Yo. Yeah, Joe Super.
My Ghana.
Isaac Mentio.
I can't now, I can see all my NDC people in the area. NDC people in the area for the two mobile or man more man obey or Bambi or Nayan Yanado. Yayanado. Or Mambe, yeah, if he another. It's all my area for so build a project. Other about it trouble. Oh, NDC and other people nearby it trouble.
Yamisha won so pa sa wode wadwen chaba no pay abehye nyina ye den 0260196064 and 0260196065 ha eya Sompa 106.5 FM Accra Ghana today dwumadie Ghana speaks ebra Ghana for kire o madwene hello good morning mini abema ben meshiani
Uncle Ochini
yo uncle Ochi my enquire
yo le permission on the Apam Dadaa onye bisoni na michawo njina na momo ezi hapo kidi na ndio kotoko asem kotoko wi akwa kaka na asem kotoko yo yeso onye jidi mu achebi hebele ko hu kotoko she na bu wele sana ayo nwanwa ma nwintiri kotoko wi
me koto ko idie mesra o se de ye otu for problem no me so ye me problem pa
o se no program de anu ojojo o so bojojo sa
o ba o jima mi tie wa
anja ko tia so wa sin do kana je se ayi mi otu ko pa na me tin ho me chasi o dia wa party o support ni na ye party members but the party say on Ghana ye kasa ye kama Ghana ye kama party wo party wo magana wo ma wo party hwe sika ye tugu no anja abusua wo ju wo ko baka sai ana bu yake me ayem di be mu tubeni ga bankra bu ko kuma su mu bankra na mo sha ni me san so man tin ko fo sika di babu ha na ile ni dia so adi hu a ado ba ye ha no ni ko to ku sika na ye Ghana sika hwe ye ba party ni ba necessary box ni na ye no ba box ya no oba no wa ba band ni atu o se meya fofo no so aka ta ti ni ni wa ba fofo no sati kan wa di ni predi ye na ye kan ska le ko to ku ska
e Ghana ska
wa da gonji no e Ghana ska Ghana ha mi je ba ku ni chi sa ye ku ye ni da so se ni ye ko dia ho se ya ni ye ko because we no bin na wu ni na ba ye no sati kan wo di ka sha beginning wo ka start beginning FORSON ni for you Fully, and if you said you are, it's in your bubble say, if you obey you, and you obey you, what one will do? What would you do so what? I Ghana. Ghana is Ghana was the year.
Matua Fawache, Medase 0260196064 and 0260196065. Hello.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning, Mido, Mintia Wanopeyo.
Sompa do they do, Chama?
Do the do, young quay.
I don't pay me more about Sompa. The way you spoke this morning, I'm very impressed with it. But I want you to be a vice president because you have the knowledge and the tone to talk. So I wish you could be vice president for Ghana. That's number one. Number two, and now more Mother's Day, and now I'm who program be on the air. Pay me say, I wish you for Mother's Day for the best. Now, would you deserve it 1 or 200 times 2?
200 times 2. Where you do mathematics.
That's what they say. We need a sister, a boy, a cassette, the son. I said, but since I look at it, when I say, oh, no, but you quite well, I know because you're the best in there. I think I'm about India. You have bana catch ready, but see the one catch instead here.
Na catch, I don't know what catch. Was me catch was what when she and a pa. But you Betty.
Or Yatipa, or Yenisa, or yet the baby or the media.
That's it. Do the attend the Ghana 0260 Temame, you don't know. I was Sompa 0260 196064 0260 196065. Hello. Yeah, Joe, Minia Ben Messiana no pay.
Bajo Frank Naroni, Domina Mayo.
Ayo, we are Domi Mayo. I'm Frank, Mahon. We are Domi Mayo. We are Bacho Mamintio.
Sompa FM.
Oh, Domi Mayo, Jina, you will line no A to Chessy. I fed you, Muya Yanko. Oh, wait here. Enko, sa try for from mommy. What? Try for from mommy. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, me near Ben Messiani. Ajani money. Yeah, what would them? Young quiet.
I could find a Mayana group.
Oh dear, that be how you be a draw. Oh dear. Ajani money. That be a, I'm one was that be a, and son out of an will be the engina. It's one I don't know why in the drama and line engine and all. Ajani mo, I of Uncle Barry, a man, yes, sir. Mammy. I don't know what I mean to you.
You are the way. Where German, the Bible, you can. And I want
me too, pa.
You're quite anymore. And a famous can be a mixture of the general secretary. And Naomi Akosua who are one to Bafo, national organizer, every doctor. Most of boys are also the youth organizers are national. I mean, here. Nanaki, one of our national organizer, Kankabu chairman, one of Soba. One of only a strong man, and the MPP won't go number one. One to one of one of you, let him in the story. Yet in Fanko Corona, Yentu going through. Because take a young for an ample cars here. Omuboko, Omusoko, and they are, and go away with you more. Because Coco Bonati and there. And this is a bedroom gamma. One of the down. And I then more temper. Emma Katia Castle went here. Your what I done was I bet you when you are there. And you are shit one of your you bet to bet your Tioma Pamako. And I think so, my sister said, President Mama Catholic soul, I will come will be here then. You know what you were denying was going to happen as you. And now he will be doing as well. More corporate dialogue. One with the number can do. Well, I found what you guys are in the social apostle. Who do you see what works your band? And did you all want to come and watch an among you?
Ajani Momedas 0260 19606 0260 19606 Me funny pam enum na fe mawie. Hello.
Sompa hima.
Yes, e bani.
Who you had a man no.
Medase, ma mintie wa no pay.
Ma menchia Sompa tin na mane wo mu na. Ne mamo. Awodapa. Now they all deserve it. Sena, they do this time 200 times. Who did the right?
Medase.
Inyaba. Ma menchia me honorable to Maklubu and incoming chairman Mr. Osman Hasum aka the Dewa. Na member honorable Agoo Aboagye SMP modern obo na mo phones me shop mo kwan se juma pa na mo ye no mo pese ye ntuo ni we ye forest no eyiyi nto mo nkoso na mesre omo ye ntakra wo jemu omo wo national security ade obo se mo sabotage mo nya hweye enye se ye be bo budin edoma onampani akoma so be de obeyi galamsey ege wontima nye ko be brenati ntima sire mo national security amudi nsemfo no man hwedi na man jani amoye na ye be bo mudi wo radio to mi yaba kokofo omoniji because omo enyo omampani do mahama ne pe so be ti omutika so ni aba ni eni say di bill akọ parliament say ye be protect most of our cocoa bean in this country. It's in Sona, in Futra, Mudigu, Amanfu, and Mu for Munko, and some Munko, and some one for crop over, I did 38%. Mumia would tremble, Namunian, she Mupuni station, crap and made to Haba, I hear why I. Musia, your co-position, you see, the enemy of my member about it. The way I'm here analysis, no, abandoned project and Intaba Yellow Ghana, Mr. Mountain, on it your Tia. Young for development plan in Yajma, Ninjaba, manifesto, your money, your flower, or Biaba. No, that's one thing at the yard. You had a young abandoned project, and your Motica and your entity,
Yenso Yadasi Eben 0260196064 0260196065. Akanipa 9 maybe hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, me pacho minia ben ben meshia na no pay.
Akosua Agoo Aboagye edikan.
Nyame adomi ho every fani.
We are free from Akosua.
Ayo, every fa yenkwai. Kantamanto Accra, Ghana, West Africa, Africa, the world.
Money at my farm, we are born in Ghana. Come on, yeah, that's it. I mean, if a papa watch a or not watch a incoming national chairman. It's not delicate. You may more than watch a you may chairman. And then if you couple after power one year, you more than watch a chairman. It's not delicate. No more. And because you are the command, it's really unmade for no. You know, mobile and I can be a more car, especially you go and I will come on 21 common to. Yes, so mining here. Yes, you are Mahaman or mining for the Yasani account. The world position cut high, you know. And we cannot do and a year and one as if he can not know. You are Mahama Kasayu. Who was some more year can would not for no mammy. Okay, to the top of the first 8,000 pounds. By 3,001 went here. I forgot about 2,500 dollars. So you only let it show. Nakamwa, what is 400 something account, and you're not there to wrong. Yana Mofes, Yana for me, and I have said you Ghana for 10 years. Yes, Shrema, a corner down on the name, you come at fine of iron. 1 year, no more, you work more so for you. As your parents, Bahama, woman, 1 year, a completion and what's up on Yasuna. Just your own Nakanisha, in Chia. So there's this good. Now, can one mobile more eloquent. A planet that one of them can other purpose. What they are not one. Your friends, book what it is, and woman, upon a most a 30%. Almost at the end of this month, contact and you. If one child of the best claimant is going to be you, now to what was for your special.
Mate Medase, Akamian, hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Prophet answer today. You would have a issue in the show. The last one, 72 in America show. Now, my dinner show. That prophet, a minimum year, brother. No one can also summa. I have prophet to have it. Nothing now. You might have dinner show. Yes, about.
Kafra went to me and you hello.
In your Apo.
Yes, Bemena. Hello.
Naya Kasapita Bora.
Ayo. Pacho maminti wanope.
Enra awoda me pro na kufo na wamfa nti mame show Mother's Day.
Medase.
No and am aboa me makaka no anka me dey but e dey do great na me pro wamfa. I've been cashier John Boadu income chairman or OTO program no and I remember how a commission on the OTO program no just a Obrempong Kodia and a Yura Musisabo Nana T OTO program. Mame Yura Mahama I the Ghana program mo Wama Ghana for Sesipom and that onya Yura Mahama Bushania Ghana as he can onya bini. And then the year to me top bag about all the bag and scam almost 400 million. And then in quality school, woman get you any. You are Muhammad, the Ahu Chere, and now that to Ghana also. Me no say, me quite you know, me pray as we do light. Where then, light when I'm in Franco Yajima, and when you do another amount. Nanado Danko Kufuado Tam Kuku, Nanado Danko Kufuado at 10 or 31. You are Muhammad buy or the 1 million of the cow, no, so I had the Yamon Seman. And the cuckoo was so about 15,005. You are Muhammad Sanwa Jumano, or no Bana MPP Asha, no Maba, no Baby Guaseno. And the NDC for ye tam, and the cars on the Fidem, the cars on George Edem, into Ugonina, who they would you are Muhammad Neo.
say what beka wu say ma me grows at the end yan say grows you are ba me nim di mo de ba ya oba wo konyem a wonyem na mo je tu a itimi di moja esuma grows ne e de kono ana wo kawa itimi tuma uni say aba wi ba wa be say man etu ko ni na wo de wo no onye wo kawa no o tinkra
me da se aka mienu na ma wie hele
ma prepa Nshran Kenya coupon ni the ordinary ababeshi yepa o si brekete o si bantu makuti oba osono Akosua Agoo Aboagye
bemena nyame adom me ho yepa na wonso e
adom ahyeyi enu na nanu machi gina panti ikura idiom ya sorry gina cream
ye de nyame ase
mini totopachi
totopachi
ashima suwa kanable
agbeto medovo mau
gas police
mami tie wa da fe
tanana kama wo mi wase
ye kasa die nisa me shada ma akire me
me sinya me wo ho nti bibi ne be ye
na te me da se mami tie
Masomo Domiko Vinya Taifa na Mbutuo. Mami wedi enchiate enkoma me MC Honorable Edmond Agbo. Papa ba ya obefa ni juma die se MC no oba Domiko Vinya. Nti nyuma koso gidi. Yetitu ya kwan yempotem baby o wa ya blocking years. Aka e wo se ka fa hono. Obi di ni tunya block wo chipita kwasi mensa e wo tema ship ya. Deputy CEO oni ni nua kwajo dankwa. Kupun shiram mi omdi omunyansa ni omahon dem boa John Dramani Mahama ene ye papa Julius Debra ni ye mami jina na okugwa amagana afan njuma ka mami winim
mitio
omai bi so e friend imofia obi papa be ye ceremonial president be 9 months enu tini ba ana koye drugs tiblet ya woni mama mu hwe nso didi so aba be ye president for 8 years was imofia omai and then obisi mincha akando eye ekuyani yini edina kwa health minister eye to the highest order nti mo man fa yenyansa nkata already so mami biom John Dramani Mahama waba so oba be ye Ghana yi ade ba ko pa na mo ka for we di ni sabe so project no anu waje na we di ni sabe so project no waje no ade ba ko pa ha minister ye papa John Dramani Mahama me part of seglemia udu nyansa no ho this start here no Akosi saying, and this time me mobilize ye NDC youth to pachi me youth me de ye jumadin aye prepare wuma NDC ba power be sinne ye nya de fa ye hye no ye be fa ye kuku nkaka ne ye yire ne ye ma ye koseglemi obi e ko fa dan ne de open watenam if we say se bi se wanuma e na wotu bia edin ma me de mo ka bia mo pro man punto ni o man kan ko ji emi timi nka gasam bo aban di achi nti sabio nyansa ben wo mse ye di o man sika aye project yen ni e gato ni akoye fofo he and people e be kasa udi nti aye kasa amudi omu nse kasa kra ne se komu ni ko an komu sere ampro me pacho yi blogger ye papa Mahama be start ye womu na no mu call mandate ye free SHS no yi blog do say no mu wie ye hunu bi wo robon so sa place obabi a complete so MCU say DC or hata a dining room bro
Mati Toto Pachi what time naso
Mami
landi ye yenko
me dase intunim see a project I abound ya omu ni locus some be kabi opa on person kabia on ba omu isa ampa ye ba ya nya nyama ye say enu ti ya kwatena di nti esra mo rabbi unje ni ye mayen
Mate me dase mi fa di otwa to kra hele
Hello.
Yes, me ya ben meshiani.
Oni.
Yes. Enka unso na otwa to obone tell me enko.
Me boni tell. Na. Mommy me mama oda bro.
Oh, me dance pa.
Aka.
Yo, aka mintio. Aka ya no ma o radio no akofom ama me. Why?
Yo. Pato ye.
Aye yenko.
Pacho, bege mfa konje simintia me ma me wo do prochewa. Chichi yao. Yo. Mommy, I go pay now cash dingi. Na mi shira pa. E wo panya.
ana mputu a efu ho na mpensho iba na sani awo kan je ya fran se obe yo ntika kape na waba na je wo ho no se wo mo hwe no mo ye no wo mo ye na ben boni bin so mo ba attack no misram wo mo ndai na project efu ho no anka no mo no mo de kwa attack anka no mo ga bo a asi sani awo mo ba attack a en fa kwem chepan efu ho la je ta plate kwa ne ko fa so ma enu ka diminya juma me de for me ma mi something because of the farming yet na ka plate kwa ye da ho kitimbre gogo obi aba o se me ye me de obi aba o se me ye me de na no no eni a ha je na he de wa iti me sa mo pe fo no mo ba anu ni juma ne ku o no mo ye no na man ka ta ma ba be ye me de ko so ba wa fe ke bi amba je ka di juma ne ya kan pla e ku o
Mate me da setam no aso ye de ase dem time he ba mecha eduro no wonya bi no mu a na che se wanye onipadua no abro wo mo ne so ya sene em ye de Ghana Today Ghana Speaks ne de aka nyina ye de ema wonti bo mo de anse Malaria no wo benya bie na wo de betu ase wo no moto na aduane nya wo de wo honam taa ye wo ya wo sori bia wotim se eni ma hyeda nko ye wo onipadua ne mu a time he ba mecha eduro ne timi Malaria pa na time he ba mecha na chi ne ye san wo time HH mecha and capsules no de wo dwonso a wo bre immune system aye bre general well-being opese o perform ye wo mpamu a eno nso eye time HH mixture and capsules Dr. Tafri Jane ne dom na di adro ba adwa so a na wochi mu nso yesomu eye 0244417669 0244417669 baby eto no bia wutimi tobi e ma ne mema nyina no ma ne ye eno eye time herba mixture adro no Hajia special local foods aduane papa fie eno no etidi aduane papa no wanya kwatenten eye Hajia special local foods ni etoza fi wa chi jollof na watch mu didie na wo didie eno no ma delivery guy ne busy eye 0246359921 eye 0246359921 ena kasa natural mineral water abudu nsuo a wono mu no anye wo nipadua bro wo ye party bibia eye kasa natural mineral water wo pe dispensers bottle water sachet water eno no so wo pe dudu atu kasa Loma Ventures fra wo mo 0206469430 0206469430 na wodem abejafo ye bre no aso a esese ye komasem etwato na yemfama yetiefo na afi Sompa Rhapsody na nyansapo
ebekasa kira adwene ne akoma no
ebekasa kira adwene ne akoma ne atenka no na hyehye ye di nyansa abobra no na Reverend Professor Joseph Osafuodu ebetena sinema boni chidom kakra kosi no nkono na wode dia kana to aso kama eti Apam Dadaa no a
basa okote so no meka adrenaline ho
de bi kote so ne adrenaline amedala no
wala
ene the prefrontal cortex no omunyina obia bedinile titru be ma prefrontal cortex na ye adwuma no ama adrenaline ne cortisol no mo ba gidigidi no maka chem se monta din se wo mo no se amedala ne kano a no no release sa chemicals no
wa medal
Abam yesi na wo chifufuru eno na ye Mother's Day ye mama nyina tiri nkwa yesenya mi hira ena ye ka se daachi bi meka ho asem se ye ka ena yesu ena ban enye se wawo obetimi awo but na wonye batan no won kirase eto oba bi a wo ye batan ye ma happy Mother's Day enye mo a omfa wo ba ho wawo akwada no wa ye hyepe so akwada yare nko a omfa ho wo life ni hia wo wonye batan life wo obetimi wo so no bedidi aye hyepe no obe me ne ya no eti nufusuo no ode be ma akora no kora no onya ho nye no no wa ye kama na ne ba ye tantanta da bi wonye batan chin ho nsuo ma kwada no ma no nufusuo ye ne fine okọ we yi no mo say na could na 2 months why you say was sacrifice because a bit take sleepless night now they feed akwada no a bit take sacrifices now they shock up him say akwada ne be jana na so be say akwada ne be wiase no what down enti say you will soon ban ye dan na dis say we your mother enya wo nko a nipa omo ban wo a wo no ye adwuma how do you make them feel yes e kire say we your bata na say we nya bata wo tema bi ma wo mo wo grace bi a wo de ma wo mo ana enu yesu eti ye ma ema nyina omo wo bata nsu no afihia pa Apam fa de bra na Obrempong na mfa ne de nso
me asem no nyina na waka no na menim se enne ɛnanom nyinaa yɛ ma wo mo na pay
wie
abrewa susana ono yɛ frɛ na abrewa no wagye so sompa
ne dem
ano pay yɛ ma no ɛna papa da na ebusu ne nyinaa na wudi wa woda nso a ne yama wa woda die pa menim sɛ tie bi odoma nkoma de yɛbɛkɔ na emom yɛsi na wɔtwe fufuro mu yi no ɛmfa yɛ obi nhyɛ ho na de ma me de ayɛ me mfa nkyɛ ne da wɔde wa ba wiase ɛno nti asase kura wo ho so bi no da nyame asema no
won fa nche na wuso mu fa so ba na wanya free so enya akoma yare na wanya enya heart attack na wanya enya operation na koso jemu na nya nkwa
wadre na ale ne kwete so na
ejuma jemu na nya nkwa
jemu na nya nkwa
fache na nya nkwa
no kre
jemu because uchi mu tan ade asi na si wo sesa na enye yi yenim se na eya na ma wo ka se mekura mu wo kura mu
wo na ha ho
ono abesew enti jemu
na nya
fa ma me bone che no fa papa bone che no fa wunua bone che no
sa na ma me wo so fa aba bone che no
mo obi amfa nche ai Obrempong
ma me ne birthday bi wa ha
wie
nti mente no free hotel na ye frau na na kua danso o obuase
danso
na na kua danso o obuase happy birthday and confirm na na kua na danso we free na Safo Kantanka guest prefect
okay
every one ho
na Safo Kantanka
mon ka che na Safo Kantanka se me chia no ono chia wo bi no me so me chia
no
Safo Kantanka chia me kwa me anim na asem ka
so want
enti na na kua danso a wo boase happy birthday yankopon shirawo until I nimchiro no nya wokese wama wonyini ntwam 106.5
okay
and the chief baby
nyame ma nya bad time
sadety
pa so won kura aduane
sanso na ye frau
Apam Dadaa meta maso so mpa rap so prof aba
ye frau
ye na sore ko
mami ye frau no mami ya wo kunsu nyame adom we free Dr. Salas wo
okay you guys
nyewe ya nyewe ya ba kono fa ba kono nyewe ya da bi me de ba kono de ma menti fa de fa no ato so ma menim se no ade a but we dey for say a friend ma me ya a wo kunsu nyame da bi o
nyame dokuru ma na nyame
adom kunsu nyame adom
okay
we de fa to so ma me kunsu nyame
on fa ba kono aka na
we de white na fa
yemfe
because picture no de ma me ha na ne ade to
I say
I am here
but
the same thing near to us em say na Obrempong ani no na ehia kiki
different one
to us
white na to so nti ma me ya wo kunsu nyame adom Dr. Salas say o ma happy
21st clinic
yo guys